We love our new fire table, which is from Pamapic, so thank you for partnering with us. So Matt came out and helped me put this fire table together, and it helped me in terms of saving some time. But it was pretty straightforward in terms of following the directions and just working as a team as we went. The product itself is really, really durable. So for this one, I loved that it came with the heat reflector and the tempered glass as well, because it gives more of a modern appeal. It does not include your propane tank, so keep that in mind. That is something that you're going to have to purchase. But for us, we just went over to Lowe's and purchased a 20-pound propane gas tank, and we did the exchange. So anytime that you go back, it's only $20 to fill it up. So I feel like that's more overall is going to be more economical for us. But I do love how you can use it in multiple places in terms of just having it in your deck area. You could have it by your pool side if you had a pool, and then also just in the backyard in general. But I love the slim, sleek design of it. I also love that it has safety elements as well in terms of the safety pulse ignition system, which basically allows you to light the heater in 3 easy steps. And living here in Georgia, our winters do get a little extreme at some point. So I'm pretty sure when it's really, really cold, I won't be outside anyway. But this will provide a nice heating ambiance when I do have guests in. It's just a little chilly and we just need something to take off the chill in the air. Matt's got the fire going, and we just decided to sit outside and just to enjoy the ambiance because it was just a beautiful day. But it quickly changed tonight, and I feel like it was just the most magical evening.